Very good evening, dear guests. Once more, we have the pleasure to welcome you on board of this KLM flight operated by German Airways Cityhopper to Amsterdam. Our estimated flight time today will be about 45 minutes. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Flight Blue members. My name is Patrice, and together with my lovely colleague Lourdes, we are here for your comfort, but especially for your safety. Shall you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Respect everyone's privacy. Is not allowed to photograph or film other passengers and crew without their permission. I kindly ask your full attention while we explain the safety features of this aircraft, wishing you a very pleasant flight. boarding pass for the next flight can go to the gate immediately. Gate numbers and boarding times mentioned on the boarding passes may have changed. Please check the TV screens to make sure that these are correct. For passengers who do not have a boarding pass, I request to go to the self-service transfer machines throughout the terminal building. As we are landing on time, all transfer connections can be realized. Thank you. Passengers, welcome to Amsterdam. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. You may now switch on your mobile phones and other devices. As soon as the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off, you may collect your belongings from the luggage bins. Please be careful as items may have moved during the flight and can fall out. Please make sure that you will have all your belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. On behalf of KLM, German Airways and your lovely team today, we would like to thank you for flying with us, and we hope to see you soon on another KLM scheduled flight. We wish all the best for you. Thank you and have a lovely evening.
Correct row, thank you very much. All doors and park, please.
Diversion park. Thank you.